Hey guys, D-Dog here, back with another video. Today I have my controller and my drone. I'm going to be flying it around the park here. So I had a kind of odd setup as I brought the drone. I just stuck it to the front of my bike. So here we have the drone, right here. Just plug it in and turn it on. It has camera, but the camera is like 2 pixels, so we're not going to be using that. So we take it off with less weight. Now the drone's on, let's turn on control. Okay, here we are, we're taking off, we're flying around. There we go, we're flying far away. This is why I like this park, because I can just fly forever. Gets pretty far away. Come on, drone, come back. Come on, okay, I think it's coming back. Is it? It seems to be going far away, so I'm going to run over there and take a look. Okay, here we are, it seems to have overturned, so let's get that back up and start over. So now I know this is not very inexpensive drone. It's only 45 bucks, so it can't go very far. That was about a quarter mile from here. So let's just fly it around here and we'll see what happens. As you see, it's shaking a little bit, if you can see. I really don't know why. I guess that's just because it's not too expensive. But yeah, I love this drone just because it's easy to fly and it's inexpensive. So let's see. I love this drone because it's, well, okay, that was close. Let's bring it back over here. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, the reason I love this drone is, okay, that was a little too close. The reason I love this drone, it's not too expensive. It's easy to fly. The only thing I don't like about it is that it's low battery time. So yeah, that's one downer. Okay. Yeah, it's close. Let's take off right here. Okay. Okay, we're back. The drone sort of crashed, so yeah. Drone, take off. Okay. Whoa. I'm behind the camera, so you can't really see me. But I'm flying the drone from behind here, and it's really hot out, and I don't like it. So it's going to be almost done. Let's go see how far. Okay, so I have inverted controls for some reason. I guess that's just what you get for a $30 control. That was a little bit of a crash, so let's see how inverted it can go. Let's take off right on the camera. So I purposely did that, as you can see. I'm gonna purposely do this. Okay, I let go of the controls, and wow, that is nice. As you see, we landed over there. Let's go from there all the way back here and land on this table. We're gonna land right here on this table from over there. Okay, a little close. Okay, I barely clipped the bench, so let me try that again. Okay, now I'm behind the camera so you can't see it, just so you know it's not missing. I'm about to go in front of the camera. There we go. Okay, coming in for a landing. Oh my god, really? So So we appeared to have hit the bike and, crashed. Let's do that again one more time, and I really want to see how vertical can it actually go. Okay, so we're back. We're gonna try one more time, and we're gonna call it quits. Okay, let's land. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Oh my god, we made it. Third try is always the best try. So now let's do what I really wanted to do and see actually how vertical can we go on this drone. So let's see. I'm gonna put it right on top of the camera. Say we're on top of the camera. You can't see it because it's on top of you, but let's go. So you didn't see it, but we landed right on over here after going. Let's see what my calculator right here on my drone controller is. So it says we just went 203 feet. And I didn't lose control, just we're so close to a public road that I didn't want to risk it going over the road or in that neighborhood over there and not noticing it because it's so high in the air. Next video we're going to go over in the middle of the field over there and try to hit 500 feet. That would be the top height that this drone can go. I know how high it can go. I just wanted to see how high it could go right here with the pending little bit weather. Anyway, I think that will do it for the video. If you liked this, leave a like, subscribe, and comment if you want more of these videos. If you don't, then I won't, but if you do, then I will. So let's see, we're going to get this all back set up so I can go for my bike ride back home. Let's see. Backwards. Soon, if I really want to use a 2-pixel camera, I'm warning you right now, I might do a drone footage video on this camera right here on the front of the drone, but it's 2 pixels, so you can't really expect much. But next video, if you like it, we're going to go in that field and see if we can go to 500 feet or not, because it's so open that I don't think we'd go over any other structures. Anyway, that will do it for the video. Leave a like, subscribe, and D-Dog Darby is out.